Hello there, it is officially rosehip season, and not only are these packed full of nutritious goodness such as vitamin C to the E and B, they're also delicious. But I always find that you lose that fresh flavour when you come to cook with them, so I want to try something different this year and adopt the same process as you use when you come to make the pinecone jam. So this first jar I'm going to fill up with date syrup, a good sugar alternative. The next jar is honey. And then this next one is the original gangster, and I'm just going to top it up with some golden caster sugar, or it could be soft brown sugar. It's up to you. Then you want to allow the date syrup and the honey to settle, and then just make sure you're topping it up so that the syrup and the honey is covering the rose hips. That's really important. The ones in sugar, just give them a good shake so the sugar is coating the rose hips. And then you want to pop a lid on and just give these a shake once a day. And we're going to do this for the first couple of weeks just to get the fermentation process going and those flavours mingling. And then we'll leave them to sit for up to 6 weeks. And you're going to get this delicious kind of rosehip syrup. It's going to be lovely and viscous and hopefully packed full of flavour.